Hello everyone, welcome to another Google Lab session. In this session, we will look into exploring the Dialogflow API. So without any delay, let me start the lab. So in this session, we are not going to discuss anything theoretical or technical. We will try to finish the tasks provided for us. So you can pause the video at any time and go through the overview. Okay, so let me start with the setup. So let me open this in a new computer window. Next. Copy password, paste it over here. Okay. Okay. So, so setup is done. So let's navigate to create a diagonal flow account. Here, let me copy this link and paste it in box here. Sign in with Google. Okay. Yes, I have a desktop. Sign in with Google in the lab. Dialogflow will need access to the Google account. To explore permission, refer to. We don't need this. Next, we will create a first Dialogflow agent and test it out. Okay. Now create and query your first agent. Create agent, enter the agent name as new agent. You can use here create agent on here and agent name as new agent. Click on Google project. This is a Google project with labs GCP. Okay. And click on create. Okay, let's wait for this to get displayed. Yes, we received it. So there are intents, entities, knowledge, people, and others. By default, states start with two intents. An agent has default fallback intent when it doesn't understand what a user says. Welcome default welcome intent. Greeting the users. This can be altered. Notice the dialog flow simulator on the right side of the screen. Yes, here simulator we already have it. The simulator let you try out your agent. Query your agent. Let's see this. Agents are best described natural language understanding modules. These agents included in your app, product, or service. Okay, let's try out. Locate Dialogflow in simulator on the right. Click on the text field that says right now. Type I and press. Okay. Greetings, how can I assist you? Since your input matches the default intent, we received one default replies inside the welcome agent. In case your agent doesn't understand a default fallback intent is matched, we will receive one. Let's create a first intent. Then let's click on this intent. In the intent name text field, enter name. Okay. In the training phase session, add training phrases. in the training phase session and begin phrases. Enter the first query by pressing enter after the entry. Okay, what is your name? And do you have a name as a second query? Yes. And name as a third query? Yes. In responses, where is the response training phase? In response, my name is Dialogflow. Now try asking your agent its name. Simulator type what's your name? Let's try it. Okay. I will just say that again. I think something is not right. Okay, I didn't click on save. Now let's try. My name is Dialogflow. Oh, this is what the response we got. Let's say only name. My name is Dialogflow, or else we can say review. My name is Dialogflow. So that is the responses we got. I think extract data with entities. Okay, add parameters to your intents. Parameters are important, and you can go through the next what is happening. So let's directly go with this intent. Pages. This good. Let's save that. Okay. The intents. In this time, this intent name is languages. Save the languages. The training phase. English. French. German as well. Once training is entered the following action and parameters as system.language. Okay? Yes, this is what it is showing. System.language for each language. Okay. Detects known parameters in training and creates them for below is the training section. Dialogflow fills out the parameter table with the information gathered. So let's get into this default response, right? Add response, text response. Okay. On save. Me try. Click on enter. Oh, wow, I didn't know you knew Russian. Okay. English, let's try this. Same answer. Okay, this is good. We can also create one which functions similarly in Dialogflow system. It is to create an entity. Okay, so let's create the entity. Save. Let's click on entity. Entity name as programming languages. Click on the text edit and add following entry. Add the following JavaScript synonym. Okay. Similarly, Java, Java, Python, Python. Save. Click on save. Okay. Okay. Add new entities. I know JavaScript. This one in the intents. The intents. The intent name, programming language. I know JavaScript. The entity is going back to programming language by default. Okay. Add is also coming from programming language. So let's get back to the responses. Add this context. Save. Let's try. I know how to put this. Let's see. Enter. Oh, Python is good. So Py it translated to Python based on the programming languages that is saved. Okay, let's do this. Click on the indents in the left menu. Click on languages. Click on indents in the left menu. Select the languages intent. Languages intent. And in the response, extend one of the original test response and follow it. Okay, update this. Save. And then click on the over the languages intent to show the menu. Click on Add Follow-up into Constant. Add follow-up into to custom and list display automatically names or languages custom. Okay. Intent matching with follow-up intents. Okay, there is another. Click on intents in the left menu and then click languages. Custom intent. Add the following training phase. Okay. 2 years. 4 days. About 5 days. Ensure training phase is going to be system.duration. We can see system.duration and system.data. Okay. Okay. This is how it is showing. Click on save. Done. So Dialogflow simulator in the languages in the instance. So now let's try. I don't know how long been on. Okay, let's say about 2 weeks. So let me try this again. Which I got the default response. That's not an issue. Okay, this is what the response is. About 2 weeks. So there is not available, nothing less. So you can see a week for some value of duration of 2 weeks. Despite there is no response from secondary query, we can see our mat intent languages custom and the duration parameters correctly passed. Okay. Now you can go through what it is speaking and you can see this. So let me select intent language custom. Here you can see intent language follow up as let's check that. Now you can see language follows. Intent. Let me go back to the intents. Languages, custom language. There is another context called languages follow. Mm. Context store parameters. Add a following response to the languages custom intent and click on save. Let's do that. Provide a response. Click on save. Okay, 1 month. I know French. Okay. Wow, I didn't know. So how long you know? 4 days. Response? I can't believe you have known French for 4 days. Okay. Yes. I think this concludes our lab. All others are our references and slides. Okay. Mhm. Thanks for joining this session and have a great day.